friends, welcome to English Study Point. Today in this video lecture, I am going to discuss character sketch of Choma. Choma's character represents the struggles of lower caste, untouchable communities. Example, Choma's hut stood on the outskirts of the village, which is a symbol of his social isolation. This means Choma's character reflects the challenges of lower caste, untouchable groups through his story, and this example, which is showcased here or which is presented here, depicts that he is living in a hut on the edge of the village, which highlights his social exclusion. Choma faces economic, social, and emotional exploitation. Example, the landlord's men would take advantage of Choma's labor, paying him meager wages. So here we see that Choma deals with many types of exploitation, whether that be economic, social, and emotional in his daily life, and he is often underpaid for his work by the landlord's workers, and in this way he faces multiple forms of mistreatment. Choma exhibits quiet resistance against oppressive systems. Example, Choma's eyes would flash with defiance when the landlord's men tried to exploit him. So, despite facing oppression, Choma shows subtle defiance against the unfair systems he is up against. His resistance is demonstrated through his determined gaze when confronted with exploitation. Choma's emotional pain and sadness are palpable. Example, Choma's eyes would mist when he thought of his wife who had passed away. This means Choma's deep emotional suffering is evident in his demeanor, and here this example showcases memories of his late wife which evoke tears in his eyes, showcasing his profound sadness. Nature represents solace, hope, and freedom for Choma. Example, Choma would sit by the river watching the sunset and feel a sense of peace wash over him. In nature, Choma finds comfort, optimism, and a feeling of liberation, and by the river at sunset, he experiences a calming sensation that brings him solace. Karanth here critiques caste based oppression and economic exploitation. So the landlord's cruelty knew no bounds, leaving Choma debt ridden and struggling. Now, this particular point means Karan's work sheds light on the injustices of caste discrimination and economic mistreatment. The relentless cruelty of the landlord pushes Choma into debt and hardship, highlighting the critique on oppressive systems. Choma's character evolves through interactions with others. Example, Choma's relationships with fellow villagers revealed his kindness and compassion. This means Choma undergoes personal growth as he engages with different individuals coming in his way of life's experiences. His interactions with fellow villagers showcase his warm and caring nature, which too highlights his capacity for empathy towards others. And Choma's inner conflict and emotional struggles are expertly portrayed in this novel. Choma's heart would heavy with despair when faced with landlord's cruelty. This indicates that Choma's inner turmoil and emotional challenges are depicted with skill. When confronted with the landlord's harshness, his heart is burdened with sorrow, which shows the depth of his internal struggles. Choma's folk spirituality provides solace and strength. Example, Choma would offer prayers to the village deity, seeking protection and guidance. This means Choma's belief in folk spirituality serves as a source of comfort and resilience for him. Through prayers to the village deity, he seeks support and direction, finding solace and strength in his faith. Choma's experiences reflect historical intergenerational trauma. Example, Choma's ancestors had suffered similarly, their struggles ached on his face. This showcase Choma's life mirrors the enduring impact of historical and intergenerational trauma. His ancestors' hardships are evident in his own struggles, visibly marking his face with the weight of their shared suffering. Choma's relationships illustrate power imbalances. An example here is the landlord held sway over Choma's life, controlling his livelihood. This means Choma's connections with others highlight the unequal distribution of power. The landlord's authority over Choma's existence extends to his ability to dictate Choma's means of living, which emphasizes the imbalance in their power relationship. Choma's resilience inspires hope for a better future. Example, Choma's eyes would light up when talking about his son's prospects in the city. So, Choma's ability to persevere in the face of adversity sparks optimism for a brighter tomorrow. His enthusiasm shines through when discussing his son's opportunities in the city, hinting at the potential for a more promising future ahead. Karanth employs non-linear narrative structures to convey Choma's experiences. Example, Choma's story unfolded through fragmented memories and conversations. This means Karanth uses a non-linear storytelling approach to depict Choma's journey through disjointed memories and dialogues. Choma's narrative unfolds in a fragmented manner, adding depth to his experiences. Karanth employs characterization techniques like dialogue, description, and action here. Example, Choma's wrinkled face and bent back spoke of years of hardship. Karanth here utilizes various characterization methods like here, these are presented here to bring Choma to life, and physical traits like Choma's aged appearance and posture convey his long history of struggles without the need for explicit narration. Choma's character contributes to Indian literature's representation of marginalized voices. Example, Choma's story joins the canon of Indian literature, amplifying marginalized voices. This means Choma's portrayal contributes to the diverse range of voices represented in Indian literature. By sharing Choma's story, Karanth elevates the narratives of marginalized individuals, enriching the tapestry of Indian literary works with a new perspective.